Thank you, respected Chairman. Your words, your guidance, and the faith you have bestowed upon the team at JIO inspire us to scale greater heights. My dear shareholders, in 10 years, JIO has reached an operational scale that is simply extraordinary. The JIO user base has crossed 524 million, cementing our #1 position. Our 5G subscriber base has crossed 268 million, the largest for any single country operator outside China, with 77 million net additions during this year. On fixed broadband, JIO AirFiber has continued to scale rapidly after becoming the world's largest fixed wireless broadband operator last year. With 13 million connected homes, JIO AirFiber is making reliable home broadband available across the country at unprecedented scale and speed. Total data traffic on JIO's network in FY26 stood at 241 exabits, growing 30.8% year-on-year, placing us amongst the largest data operators on the planet. The financial results of FY26 are a fitting tribute to this journey. JIO platforms delivered revenue of 1,46,885 crores, growing 14.6% year-on-year. EBITDA reached rupees 76,255 crores, an 18.8% growth with an EBITDA margin improving by 190 basis points to 51.9%. For the first time in our history, profit after tax crossed rupees 30,000 crores, growing at 15.1% year-on-year. These numbers are proof of the trust India has placed in JIO. More importantly, they demonstrate that JIO's growth remains both broad-based and profitable. Dear friends, the next chapter of JIO's growth will be powered by 5 commitments. First, to make JIO True 5G the foundation of India's next big digital leap. Our dedicated network slicing will enable a new tier of high-performance connectivity for consumers and enterprises. Our cyclic beam-formed cell design significantly enhances coverage and capacity at high-footfall locations. Our target is to migrate all subscribers to 5G by 2030, whilst advancing India's leadership position in 6G standards. Second is to take high-speed home broadband to every part of India through JIO AirFiber. Our new non-line-of-sight capability has dramatically expanded the reach of home broadband to locations where fiber was never viable. Over 90% of JIO AirFiber's installations are completed within 24 hours, and home connections are now growing at a phenomenal rate of up to 60,000 per day. Per capita data usage has reached 42.3 GB per month, one of the highest in the world. This number will only grow as JIO migrates more Indians to 5G and as AI-enabled use cases proliferate. Third is to digitize Indian enterprises and small businesses. The JIO PC initiative, which delivers cloud compute to small businesses through a simple set-top box, brings enterprise-grade technology within the reach of every micro, small, and medium business in India. Fourth is to ensure AI for everyone, everywhere. JIO is already embedding AI in consumer technology to deliver a smoother, smarter, and more personalized user experience. AI will make our networks more efficient, our homes more intelligent, our customer service more responsive, and our platforms more useful to every Indian. Fifth is to take India's technology to the world. The proprietary deep tech stack at JIO, built for 5G, fixed wireless access, and AI services, is now ready for deployment with international partners in select geographies. The technology we built to solve for India's challenges will also serve the world and become a key pillar of our export strategy. As we launch more value-added services such as premium 5G, AI bundle services, and enterprise solutions, our ARPU will grow significantly. Dear friends, there's one more frontier I would like to mention: satellite communications. JIO connected India on the ground. Now we must connect India from the skies. There are still the remotest of villages, island communities, and border outposts where JIO network cannot reach. For them, satellite connectivity will be the bridge to the rest of India. JIO is evaluating the development of a sovereign low Earth orbit satellite constellation for India. We are also partnering with the leading global constellation providers by leasing satellite capacity so that we can accelerate service availability while building our own long-term sovereign capability. This dual approach will enable JIO to meet India's connectivity needs faster while laying the foundation for the Indian satellite broadband platform of global scale. To anchor this ambition, JIO is also building its own ground station infrastructure in India. These ground stations will support our partner constellations as well as our own future satellites, creating an end-to-end satellite broadband ecosystem from space to ground. With this initiative, JIO is strengthening India's Atmanirbharta in space, placing India firmly on the global satellite broadband services map. All of these initiatives show that the best of JIO is yet to come. Dear shareholders, Reliance Intelligence, a new chapter in Reliance's deep tech evolution, was announced last year by our chairman. Today, I share with you the progress we are making in turning that vision into reality. Our first priority is to surmount the biggest hurdle for AI in India today: the scarcity and the high cost of compute. To address it, Reliance Intelligence is building India's sovereign AI backbone in Jamnagar. This cutting-edge infrastructure will be powered entirely by clean energy from Reliance's own solar generation from the Kutch renewable platform. The first 120 megawatts will be commissioned by the end of 2026. In addition, we are operationalizing an initial fleet of advanced NVIDIA GB300 GPUs. This next generation compute capacity is equivalent to more than 75,000 H100 GPUs on an AI inference basis. As the first 120 megawatts becomes fully operational, this capacity can scale over 2 lakh H100s equivalent GPUs. This capacity places Reliance amongst the largest AI infrastructure platforms being built anywhere in the world. When compute becomes affordable, innovation becomes inevitable. Friends, our second priority is partnerships. No company, however large, can build the future alone. The right path is to combine the best global technologies with Indian execution, Indian infrastructure, Indian domain knowledge, and India-first governance. Our Google partnership has deepened into a truly AI-first collaboration. For hundreds of millions of JIO users, Google AI Pro, powered by Gemini, is already accessible free of cost. Our second major partnership is a joint venture with Meta, which operationalizes the Llama open source AI for Indian enterprises. Reliance Intelligence will deliver sovereign hosting within India with full model transparency, portability that allows every enterprise to own its AI journey. Dear friends, Reliance Intelligence is building trusted, affordable, multilingual AI services designed to be accessible in 22 Indian languages. This sovereign, green, secure compute backbone will power India's first applications, such as JIO Bharat IQ, AI Vyapar, JIO Health IQ, JIO Learn IQ, and JIO Krishi IQ. JIO Bharat IQ will make AI a companion for every Indian. AI Vyapar will help small merchants and businesses improve productivity, serve customers better, and compete with confidence. Geo Health IQ will bring intelligent healthcare support closer to every family. Geo Learn IQ will help students learn in their own language at their own pace and with confidence. Geo Krishi IQ will help farmers make better decisions on crops, weather, resources, and income. Each of these services is designed around one simple principle. AI must be easy to use, trusted to rely on, and affordable for all. Together, these platforms will create a scalable foundation for consumer, enterprise, and government AI services. Friends, we are simultaneously building a world-class team of AI researchers and engineers, investing in India's AI startup ecosystem, and collaborating with leading Indian universities and research institutions. Within Reliance itself, the transformation is unmistakable. At Jio, AI native network management is already driving efficiency and quality at scale. At Reliance Retail, AI embedded merchandising and supply chain optimization is reducing waste and improving product availability for millions of customers. At JioStar, AI is powering the multilingual content creation. In our oil to chemicals operations, AI driven process optimization is improving yield and reducing energy consumption. Dear shareholders, just as Jio made data extremely affordable for every Indian, Reliance Intelligence will disrupt AI economics by making it dramatically more affordable for every Indian by the end of this decade. The Jio Bharat platform has already proved that Jio can put capable smart devices in the hands of Indians at rupees 999. Now, with Network Edge AI inference, we will bring advanced AI experiences to affordable devices. When AI becomes ubiquitous and easily accessible, India will not merely participate in the AI century, it will lead it. Unlike global AI platforms that build in English and translate later, Jio is building AI natively in Indian languages. So a farmer querying in Marathi or a student in Tamil gets an AI that thinks and replies in their language. भारत का AI भारतीय भाषा में बोलेगा, भारत के दिलों को जोड़ेगा, भारत की तस्वीर और तकदीर को बदलेगा. What we're building is an AI for India, AI by India, AI that will one day serve the world. To give you a glimpse of what lies ahead, we will now showcase some of Jio's latest innovations in AI. Across the world, AI has meant one thing, an app on your phone. And through it all, the phone call, the most natural thing we do, has stayed unchanged for decades. Today, Jio is doing something fundamentally different. Every day, Jio carries 20 billion minutes of voice, making us one of the largest voice carriers in the world. This is where India truly lives, talks, works, and connects. So we asked, why should AI sit outside the very place Indians interact the most? And so, we're building AI directly into the heart of the Jio network. No app to download, no number to add, available to every Jio customer in every Indian language. Let us just show you how we are working to bring intelligence to every Jio call. Just say, "Hey Jio," and your AI agent joins the call. For as long as you like, always, and only with your consent. The agent has multiple capabilities. It can transcribe calls. For example, on a conference call, it can identify up to 10 unique speakers and capture every word, in their own language. It can summarize, sharing summaries, action items, and reminders with every participant after the call. It can act. Ask it to order food, book a cab, reserve a table, or set up the meeting you just agreed to, all done on the same call. Your own concierge on every call, launching for JIO's 500 million plus family later this year.